What is up, guys? We're back with another speed build here, back with
Lark Family 27.
And the Mr. Crazy Waffles.
and Mr. Mindsy Keller.
Nope. Alright, what are we gonna build?
Alright. Today you have to build a prison.
Dude, why do you keep doing such huge things?
It's actually not that bad. Because I remember doing that
It's fine.
with the Desmino's Pizza.
If you either want a prison or a...
No, that's fine.
Muffin.
Well, the other thing is that I was
No,
going to tell
it's
you is
fine.
No, listen, but the other thing I was going to say is too small. Like, it's like smaller than a freaking house.
Well, at least one of them has to be kind of small.
Oh, the next one's going to be a quatrain. It's going to be better than the prison. Well, it just depends on how big you want it, really.
Yeah.
I mean, we can just do a little, like not a penitentiary, we can have a freaking just a jail, a city jail.
This big. I'm not going over the top this time. You get way too quiet when this happens.
Me?
Nathan.
I doubt it.
I'm just gonna build up the building for now. And then I'll add in the extra stuff. Alright, there's literally a pig making this hard for me.
Love it. You're doing great. I haven't even looked behind me yet. I'm not even kidding. All I saw was Michael doing stone.
Yeah.
And I turned around and... Michael, is my speed too small?
What?
Look at the sign.
What sign?
On the wall, speed build.
No, that'll work. Nathan being the quietest person on earth.
He
What?
really isn't. Clock.
Clock.
Okay. Up and down.
Nathan, you are so quiet right now.
He's concentrating. He has to think.
Forgot how to do this
commentate.
thing. So.
Michael, does that B look Down syndrome?
Oh yeah, I remember doing the B. The B, just make an 8. It's the best way to go about it.
I think that B looks great too.
I think making an 8 is the best way. I can't remember.
I don't like having my side with the defective letters.
Well, that's just too.
I know my
freaking
side
bad.
looks fine.
I have defective letters.
Everybody needs to learn.
Whoa. Lag spikes.
Love lag spikes.
Up.
Oh, that build is great.
Not bad. Everything else looks fine, but the bee. Literally, I'm not lying to you. Probably am. But, yeah.
Great.
Nope, no doing that in.
Cluck.
Small little build over there, Michael.
Yep.
He's doing great.
I said I was going to.
Dude,
Why do I keep lagging?
It's 'cause,
you're learning.
Caleb's learn system. I'm getting some lag too, so don't worry about it.
I'm getting like
I'm
some
not-
bad news.
Dude, I'm not lagging at all. That's what's bad.
Dude, I have no idea, but it's killing my vibe right now.
Turn on your FPS.
What?
Hey Nathan, is what I'm filling these letters in bad?
Dude, I have no idea what it is, but my lag is getting
Dude,
up.
what the crap? He freaking banned me.
What was he doing?
He was placing in the letters of TNT.
Yeah, cause I was gonna change it.
Maybe you shouldn't do it in the first place. Maybe you shouldn't do it in the first place.
Dude, unban me.
Alright, I have to disconnect. Alright, hold on, let me check.
Funny thing is, I'm the only one not lagging.
It's because we're recording.
Alright, I think I'm good now.
I really wasn't gonna blow up the daggum TNT.
I don't care.
Wasn't even thinking about it.
Well,
Is anyone messing with water?
No.
Just make sure.
Having lag problems?
A little bit.
How much time do we have left?
7.
You know I haven't even turned around once.
Cool.
Good. Wait, you commented on my building though.
I always said that I said I like how you're using stone.
Oh, I hope I'm not
And-
copying you.
Yeah, it's cool.
Are we gonna get extended build time?
Don't know yet. I think I'm gonna wait till it gets low.
Dude, my freaking bee looks Down syndrome.
It is.
The speed looks gooch.
Is that how you... How do you spell... What the heck? Huh. Isn't it?
What are you looking at?
I don't know.
You thought I spelled build wrong?
No.
How's that funny?
Oh no, you don't hear what I'm hearing. Oh yeah, this is gonna be good.
You know, I can already tell. Burn down the whole city.
Alright, man.
Oh my gosh. And by the way, you better have
Can't just add in stuff just right
Yeah,
in the middle.
you can't do that. Sorry, Caleb. Loud.
Alright, well I'm just gonna give you a heads up that'll get you points. As your villagers, as your prisoners, put their name tags as prisoner A1 or something like that. Get you extra points. Then, never mind.
I know it will get me extra points.
No, I was gonna ask you if you wanted me to help you with the cobwebs, but never mind.
What I could really need help with is Stone? Don't even... Yeah, stop. But you probably won't help me, so...
Oh, if y'all
Rick Ross
help me,
gets the privilege to look in the showers.
dude. Michael, you should put his name tag as Rick Ross.
No.
Michael.
Michael, do you want me to help you with anything?
I need help. Yeah.
You can't get help.
Yes, we can't.
No, you can't.
Well, you helped me in some of the speed builds.
Which ones?
Like the ones where I was facing Caleb.
When did I help you?
You helped me place in a couple blocks. Or
I did like 1 or 2 blocks. I didn't
yeah,
do
that's
anything
helping.
major.
Well, he didn't do anything major. He
That's
didn't do
not the
anything.
game breaker though.
He didn't do anything major. He only placed like maybe 10 or
15 blocks of stone.
Caleb, stop.
Why?
You making me mad. I'm just kidding.
Oh. Okay, let's cheating.
How?
Oh.
Because I'm placing bedrock?
Yep.
Hey, can we have the death roll?
Michael, if you want.
What?
If you want, I can help you with something since I helped Nathan a little bit.
I'm good.
Can we have the death roll, Michael?
What?
Death roll?
I'll do the 5-minute one.
Okay, that helps.
Alright.
Dude, I need to use world edit.
Sorry. Not allowed.
I'm gonna watch your videos too, just in case.
You'll know.
Oh.
He already used it.
I really did.
You probably did a little bit.
I didn't. The only time I used world edit was to clear and add those blocks.
Oh wait, you can't name villagers.
Oh yeah, you can't.
Because it adds... Oh, I think I just did. Oh yeah. Dude, I have no idea how to spell cauldron.
You'll be alright.
And please stop clicking when I was doing that.
Oh, sorry, my iPod is right next to my keyboard. I didn't realize that.
Literally this whole episode I've been looking for a cauldron.
They're in the brewing at the very bottom.
Yeah, no, I found it already. Rick Ross gets 2.
Little quirky with him.
Dude, it's so pedo-ish because he's looking... Why would you close this? I can see you. Get out of here. Caleb's messing with me.
Caleb's hit ban.
Dude, I'm not freaking messing with him. I'm just sitting over there looking.
You're the one who closed the door on me.
No, I wasn't.
I know.
I
know,
only
just
closed it.
stay away from me. I can see you flying around.
No, you can't. I'm gonna go mess with Bird at Bead.
I can already tell I'm gonna lose.
No, probably not.
Dude, you really aren't. I'm not saying anything who's gonna win. Because Michael still is a work in progress, and so is Nathan's.
I don't like this one. I want a better one. I want a blacksmith.
Hey, Michael, can I help you out with something?
You sure can't.
Okay, great. I was gonna put cobblestone. Never mind.
You're gonna put cobwebs on the top of his building?
Yep. But Nathan did that. Yeah, you do realize that people fall through these chainmail things, right?
I know.
You probably.
So if they try to get up
on
on the roof, they can fall. They'll be like,
I see what you're doing. You're doing like that prison map, aren't you?
Dude, what the fuck?
What's the matter with that?
You splashed me. Maybe
yeah,
I
what
don't. You're making me what?
I was telling him to stop messing.
I had to get banned.
Dude. Hey, the villager wants some Gucci trades. I'll trade him. He's a prisoner. He changed his trade. I'm done.
What?
Now he wants 10 emeralds for some chain pants.
How do you name him?
Okay, I might want that extra 5 minutes, just saying.
Here.
Michael, he wants to know how to name him.
I already got it.
Yeah, it's... You have to click them a bunch of times. I'm doing something for points right now.
Okay. I have no idea what you're doing. That's a funny thing.
It's a good thing. Stay away from me.
Is this a torture room?
Nope. It's the warden's office.
The minutia.
How is that gonna get you extra points?
I don't know.
Oh, click.
Because I'm supposed to be in a prison. I'm just kidding. You might get some extra brownie points. Dude, I don't know who's gonna win because both of y'all is just kind of like the same, but Nathan's is just bad.
Did you look at the name?
Just...
Did you look at the name of the villager?
You just lost points for that sucker. I'm not even kidding, dude. You lost 10 points right then.
Oh
Caleb's
no!
freaking meth head.
That's a different Caleb.
Dude, I think Michael lagged out.
No, I didn't.
That's a different Caleb.
Nathan, he put the villagers Caleb the meth head.
That's a different Caleb.
Hey, I'm not even kidding, dude. You better change that before I come back over there, because that's 10 points lost.
Alright, I'm changing it. Good. Better guy. Better guy.
Hey, after the 3, are we gonna do it again? Like
No.
one more time?
It won't let me change it. You'll like this
both-
one.
You have to
So-
kill him.
Oh, you have to kill him?
Alright, 10 points selected.
Dude, no, you weren't over here in time. You'll like this one. It's from your favorite show. Favorite show in the world.
Breaking Bad.
Just look at his name.
Can't see it.
It might be true, though.
I can't.
Did
Helicopter, bitch.
I get my points back?
Nope. Because you spelt bad, you're wrong.
Oh, feel bad. I want the next one to be a meth lab.
Rick Ross has some Gucci trades. Jerry the Slime. Michael, when you open them up, instead of saying villager, it says Rick Ross. I'm trading with Rick Ross.
It does?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh, it does. Hello.
Rick Jamie. We Cody love. Michael, I need you to open the door for me, or I'm gonna have to break it. I'm out.
Alright.
Oops. Now, Nathan.
Dude, I already know.
Alright, I need the 5 extra minutes. Do you need it?
Like 10 minutes or?
Well, we already got the other 5, so we have to have only 5.
Oh, Nathan, by the way, I didn't know where those water source. I didn't know why there was 2 blocks over here on the other side of this water source, so I broke it and they flooded. But it's better now.
How do you
Oh
spell
no!
Paul? How do you spell
Oh
Paul?
no! F that.
How do you spell Paul?
Paul.
Okay. Well, I
Really don't
thought
know
that
how to
was it.
spell
I thought
Paul?
that was it, but I didn't know. It didn't look right.
I'm surprised no one's used any of the new blocks, like
Yeah, I don't
clay
like
and
that.
stuff.
Well, it's a prison. It's not supposed to look good.
Oh yes, it is, buddy. You could have used gray clay for the walls instead of.
Dude, I'm having like problems over here.
I'm
I
trying
keep
to.
pressing all kinds of buttons.
Michael needs some help laying down chainmail.
Chainmail.
It's not letting me name this villager.
I know, it took me a second to name my warden.
Bobby Joe.
Yeah.
Oh, I keep on doing it. It's not working.
Well, just forget it then, Paul.
Have to have it, Paul.
Let me guess, Aaron Paul.
No. Freaking.
Paulie? Putting her in jail?
Mhm.
That's good.
That's points deducted.
What?
Why?
But you love Molly.
Dude, I swear if it doesn't work, I'm killing myself. Up.
The Rick Ross. Oh.
That's what happened after Hank got deducted.
Dude, he's gonna freaking put him in jail.
He got seduced.
Yeah.
Cluck.
Why do you always do that?
What,
Why are
what's
you
his
using
name?
my thing over there?
Enchanting my armor.
Mental. Did you put an enchantment table in my place?
No.
Oh. It sounded really close, that's why I asked.
Michael, open the door.
Which one, Rick Ross?
Oh, there's Smokey Bear! Oh no! Oh no! No!
Shut up!
Come here, Bear.
Dude, that's mean.
I'm sorry.
Voice deducted. Pet
What the
no.
heck? I'm not even petting him. See, biases. Biases, that's what it's called, biases.
It's biased, but yeah.
I know. Oh, come here. I'm gonna kill him. I'm gonna kill him. What?
What up?
True.
What's up, Rick Ross?
You said something about crinkle cut carrots?
No, I said, hey, what's up, Rick Ross?
Yeah, I'm going to stay the night with Nanny tomorrow, Nathan.
Good.
Did I just say that over freaking...
Yeah, especially since you call your grandma Nanny.
That's what we call her. Mine
I don't get why
grandma.
people call their like grandparents and or yeah, just grandparents mostly. Like different names than grandma or grandpa.
Well, that's what they wanted to be called. Like, literally. They said that that's what they wanted.
Well, I'm not
Ooh.
judging, I'm just saying. Like I don't understand it.
Call
I
him
only ever
back.
call I'll
Dude,
call
this
him
is a
back,
good
hold on.
trade.
What?
This villager's trading 6 emeralds for a saddle.
How's that a good trade?
I was just kidding, you know.
Alright, I gotta call him back.
Just randomly clicking until it freaking does it. How much time do we have?
We have 13 seconds apparently.
Dude, I have to name this villager. I don't care. It's taking
Yeah, me too. Let me name
forever.
mine.
Oh,
Here, I'll stop.
got a little
the clock.
ghost in my village.
You spelled Heisenberg wrong.
No, I didn't.
Yes, you did.
No, I didn't. I looked it
Yeah.
up.
Okay.
That's what happened after Hank.
Hurry up, name your freaking villagers.
It won't here. You try it.
It's hard.
Give me the
Yeah,
name tag.
it's on the ground.
How do I do it?
Click and click and click. Up. Go invisible.
Like right click?
Like you would name a regular one.
Alright.
Big Bubba the Butcher.
Fix a spam mug.
Yeah, that's what you have to do.
What's funny is that's Nathan's name, Bobby. Help, I got it.
I'm the warden.
Uh,
You did? Oh, Chester. Hey, Bobby. It's Bobby the villager. Bobby's the warden.
I think Rick Ross is trying to escape.
Alright, so let's do this thing.
Get back in jail, Rick Ross.
Hey. Alright, Michael, you go
Rick
first.
Ross escaped.
Look.
Put him on a leash.
You can't. Alright, Michael, you go first.
Hold on, name my last guy.
Rick Ross's jail. So Rick Ross is in his own jail. Points deducted.
Yeah. It's the home of
You know, did you know when Lil Wayne went to jail? He
Alright,
wanted
let's
to
start. From the beginning, this is Rick Ross's jail. Let me get my inventory. Oh.
Taunt.
And right here, we have the man of the hour, Rick Ross.
Maximum Rick Ross. What? Rick Ross. Can I go in and
And
pet?
he gets a good, clear view of the showers.
I'm gonna go pet him. What up, Rick?
Dude, he can see right into the showers. Rick Ross gets that privilege. Then over here, you can go inside these cells and see whose it is.
You do realize that I'm the judge, right?
Oh no, points deducted, I'm in there. Well, how did I get in there? Did I kill somebody or something?
You messed with Big Bubba.
Big Bubba. How did Big Bubba get in there? Who's this? Super Lion? Who's the warden? Oh no.
And the word.
Caleb the warden. Oh, you faggot. You fag.
Hey, that's where the points come from.
No.
Hey, hey!
Make him the man in charge.
Let's see what trades I got. This slouch can't do it.
No, dude, he's giving you cookies. What? Dude, he likes mine too.
Yeah, buddy, you got them 27 cooks.
Alright, let's go over to Caleb, or Nathan's.
Alright, but listen, can I tell y'all something real quick?
Oh, yours is bigger than mine.
Did you know that when Lil Wayne got sent to prison, they asked him if he wanted to go in with the guys, like just be in regular jail, or did he want a private jail cell where no one could have access to him because they would murk him up in there?
Yeah, probably.
And he chose regular.
Alright, there's a
We
name
only
tag
got
on the floor.
two.
Let's see what it says.
I mean, he chose private.
Bobby.
There's Badger.
Okay. Heisenberg. Oh, what's this? Oh, it's showers. Ew.
Oh, someone
Got
was...
a period in there.
No, it was rape.
Uh...
You have to have the key. No one's got the key but me. Let's go.
Oh, Bobby ran away.
Bobby! He can walk out if he wants to. It's his jail. And Bobby stands for Caleb.
Alright, you can tell us
You're
the
lying.
bad and good points of each and da 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 da.
Alright, just let me lay it out there for you. Alright, I really liked how...
Drink milk,
Michael-
Caleb. It's really making me
Why?
mad that you're invisible.
It's funny as I'm all the way up.
I know I can... Hey, Michael. You want some
Get an
milk from
aerial
Bobby?
view.
Oh, yeah, we had a little nuke hit our top of our prison. And, yep. Looks like Rick Ross is the only Oh, Bobby's leaving. I mean,
That's good.
Caleb, the warden's, he said he's gonna leave. Did you mean to put this third pressure plate in here?
In where?
In the warden's office?
Yeah. Oh no, I didn't think of it.
Alright, well, I really liked how Michael has me as the warden, and he has like more jail cells. Like they look nicer because they actually have beds and water cauldrons, and which I'm pretty sure those are supposed to be toilets.
No, they're
And that's
bathtubs. No. Whoa, how'd you get out? Oh wait, that's Caleb. Okay. He's staring at Nathan right now. Hey, he's punching you. He's punching you.
And I like how there's 2 exit doors to run away from the booty hole rapings in the showers.
Well, Rick lost his first peek at it.
What did you call him, Gale?
Called him the booty rape time.
Oh my gosh.
Oh, by the way, Michael, those name tags on the ground, that's soap on string. Come look. It really is.
He kind of looks like one in a way. Oh, he just killed you.
Oh no.
Hey, that's messed up. You messed with my thing.
Well, here's the winner right here.
Oh, I'm colorblind. It's blue. Yay!
Alright, thanks guys for watching, and we'll catch you next time.
Bye.